Hello guys, so in this SQL Server Management Studio or in this SQL tutorial, you will learn a lot of things. I am just giving you summary what it will cover and how this will helpful in your future or in your interview or in your any task related thing. So SQL is very important during web development, data automations thing. If you purchase this SQL tutorial training PDF file, okay, you will learn a lot of things like you can see how to install, how you can play with ddml language, how you can play with database, and how you can just manipulate the data, how you can find and get useful insight between those data. And there are a lot of things. If you see introduction, database creation, table, select queries, join, union, aggregation, store procedures, functions, cities, view, index, triggering, transaction, concurrent, window function, interpretation, tips and tips, all those are covered into this SQL PDF tutorial. So if you want to buy and if you are willing to learn a lot of things, then my recommendation would be buy this PDF at reasonable price and start practice on it. You will get a lot of things. So I am just giving you one example. You can see step by step I have mentioned all these things, what query view you will use, why this is useful, what is the shortcut, and why this SQL query is a lot of powerful. So you can see question answer file, and where your query is restoring, how you can revert back it. All these thing is mentioned. There are a lot of things. Okay, you should follow this. And if you want one-on-one session, so this is my syllabus, which will cover all these entire things. You just go through this one also, and let me know the suitable time to connect. Okay, so guys, watch this very carefully. This is very exciting, and hope this will help you. Thanks for watching this video.